Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to back up your settings on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So go ahead and click on settings on your phone and go all the way down to accounts and backup. Click on that. From here under Samsung Cloud, click on backup data, and from here you want to scroll down to where you have settings. If this is turned off, just simple toggle this on to the right and it will back up your settings on your phone. Now, if you want to back up this immediately, simply click on backup now at the bottom and it will back it up right away. However, if you don't want to back it up right away, by leaving it on, by just simple toggle it on, this will back it up every 24 hours. And to get more information about how the backup works, click the three dots on the upper right hand side, click on more information. And here you will see here it says that your apps will be back up once every 24 hours. So you know that this will back up once every 24 hours, even if you don't choose the option to back it up right away. But that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.